In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the first draft AI feature efficiently and effectively. This will help you get the most out of your design projects by leveraging AI technology to streamline your creative process. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open your web browser and navigate over to Figma, the well-known collaborative interface design tool. You can do this simply by typing figma.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. For those who might be new to Figma, it's a powerful tool that designers use to collaborate in real time on projects, so you're definitely in the right place. Once you have Figma open, the next step is to click on the Login button. You'll usually find this button in the top right corner of the page. Clicking it will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials to access your workspace. Remember, if you ever forget your password, there's always an option to reset it, so don't worry. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Figma homepage. This is the hub of your activity on Figma, where you can create new files, access your recent work, and see what your team has been up to. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this page, as it will be used frequently. From the homepage, the next logical step is to click on Profile. This button should be visible at the top or side of your screen, depending on whether you're on a desktop or a mobile device. Accessing your profile allows you to manage your personal and account settings, which are important for personalizing your Figma experience. Once you're in your profile, you'll want to navigate to Settings. This is typically located within a drop-down menu, often represented by a gear icon. In the Settings section, you can adjust various account preferences and turn on useful features. For today, our focus is on enabling new enhancements. Now that you're in the settings, look for and click on New Features. This section lists all the latest updates and experimental features that Figma offers, including our point of focus, the first draft AI feature. Enabling this feature is straightforward. It usually just involves toggling a switch or checking a box. By activating the first draft AI feature, you'll be able to harness AI capabilities to generate initial versions of your design projects, making your workflow faster and more efficient. This is particularly beneficial for brainstorming sessions, and when you're pressed for time, as it offers a solid starting point that you can refine further. Remember, utilizing features like these can significantly enhance your productivity, so don't hesitate to explore and enable new tools as they become available. That's all for today's tutorial, and I hope you found it both useful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and insights into maximizing your Figma experience.